Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs in a stainless steel pan. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk the eggs thoroughly in a bowl until the yolks and whites are completely combined. Next, place your stainless steel pan on the stove and heat it over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. Now add about 1 teaspoon of butter or oil to your preheated pan, allowing it to melt and coat the bottom. Pour your whisked egg mixture directly into the pan. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for approximately 30 seconds. This helps them set slightly. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center, tilting the pan to allow any uncooked egg to flow underneath. Keep folding and stirring the eggs gently, ensuring they cook evenly. You want them to be mostly set but still appear moist and creamy, not dry. The key is to remove the pan from the heat just before the eggs are fully cooked to prevent them from overcooking. Residual heat will finish the cooking process. Serve your perfectly scrambled eggs immediately on toast or alongside your favorite breakfast items. Your delicious, creamy scrambled eggs are now ready to enjoy. Feel free to season them with a little extra salt, pepper, or some fresh herbs like chives if you like. For easy cleanup, make sure to clean your stainless steel pan promptly with warm, soapy water. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's perfect for keeping you hydrated throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.